Yes, because this is what I always vision. This is the life I live. I've never thought of nothing less. I always, you, I was a, I was very active from in school, and from this didn't started in the dance from school and in churches. I've always been active in Sunday school. In school, I'll be singing, I'll be reciting poem, and I'll be acting in plays. So for me, it's like three different things. So none of this like surprises me really. Like it all comes down to me to take it to the next level. But I know I was born for this, because it was all manifest from an early stage. Like I said, it's nothing that I've learned since I was like a teenager or whatever. Then I start getting into no. As early as I know myself, I've been singing. I used to get home from school like at 5, 6 year old. I'd be singing, take some wires, hook up to a box, have a piece of stick tie and a string on it, pretend it's my mic. Making up kind of music from I was a little kid coming up. So none of this surprises me. Like I know that this is me. It only leave up to me to take it to the next level. Like, you know what I'm saying? I have to just nurture it because you get it, but you have to protect it and to make sure it's become a success. Like so, it's none of this surprises me. Like really, trust me. I've expected it. Something I expected. I because I live for it. You know.
Nah, I hear that. I hear that. I mean, when you live in your truth, when you walk in your essence, and you know who you are, nobody can actually throw you off your game. That's why it's
Mhm.
like it's very surprising how a lot of people try to compare you to people like to other artists such as Shabba Ranks and Buju Banton, and saying like you're a mashup between the two. Do you
No,
embrace that comparison, or does it
it,
feel like it's like people? Go ahead.
see,